Hi there, what's up, Nashville? Okay, I'm back at the Harpeth Hotel, and I just had a wonderful coffee with this lady that I met. This is Meg, and we sort of do similar things. She takes what I do one step further, right?
Yeah.
So, okay, what do you do?
So we're home organizers and personal assistants. So we can help you declutter and organize your home so you're stressed less.
And you like do the deep dive. You're doing the.
We can do everything from a closet to your whole home.
And that's fantastic because I only do it to a certain point. So I think we're going to be very complimentary to each other, aren't we?
Great. Yes, I don't do interior design. I don't understand it.
And I don't do basements and garages and get things gone. That's not what I do. So I think we can give each other business. I love that. That's what it's all about. Yay. Okay. All right, we've talked, and I haven't asked you this question, so I'll ask you now. Are you from these parts?
I am.
You're from.
I grew up in Lebanon. I lived in Franklin for a while, a long time, and now I'm from Murfreesboro.
Okay, so I always ask people why they moved to Nashville because usually people did, but you didn't move away.
No.
And so
here.
That's what I do with younger people. Why didn't you move away? Okay, now you live in Murfreesboro, you lived in Franklin, and what's your very favorite thing about Nashville or Franklin, or what's your favorite thing?
Oh, I love all of the downtown squares. So Franklin Square, Murfreesboro Square.
They're beautiful,
like
aren't they?
Lynchburg, like all of the little, quaint little small town feel, even in a bigger city.
I love that too. Okay, it's been great to meet you. We're going to do business together, giving it back and forth, because that's what networking's all about. All right, what's up, Nashville? We're out now. Bye.